Alright, so welcome to today's video. We are going to be playing some fucking shootout. Because it's a fun game. I enjoy it. So, yeah. How many we at? 11 out of 20. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, I got this one yesterday. This one's cool. I like this one. Let's go play. Late match, let's see if we can recover. Darn. Wait, do I have my graphics quality up? No, I don't. Okay, cool. Wait. Alright, there we go. Everything's set back up. Game should be running a bit smoother now. Just had some things running in the background that I shouldn't have. Woo! Close range. Let's go. What? How? No. No. Okay. So bad with shotguns. The ding sound is kind of dumb. Hey, I got an energy bomb. I wonder what that is. I don't care. I need 2 more. We did get more gems. Ooh, we have these. Win 20 game, get 300 kills. Easy. Yeah. It do be like that. Uh-oh. He's low health. He's low health, I know that much. Ooh. Hello. Goodbye. Me and your pepper gun ain't gonna save you, bird. Get him. Get him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hehehe. What? Where's the person that was firing at me? There they are. Out of ammo? What? Oh, I thought they just disconnected. Whew! Hehe. Simple enough. What? This. What? This man again? Alright, screw it. We're going. Never mind, I missed. Going up here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Quick, go, go, go! Guys, I swear I'm not toxic. Whoa. I got annihilated. What? I love stranger, bro. You're dead. You're dead. I'm dead. Skins aren't loading. Ah. Hey, that's my kill effect that didn't work. How come his works? Ooh, 7 damage, yay, with the fucking rocket launcher. He already knows I'm coming up here, so we have to be hasty about this. Just go as quick as you can. Got him. Yep. Nope, can't do that. But I can do this. Hehehehe. Whoa! Well, they still died. Doesn't matter. Oh, okay. Hi, man. You just got shot. How do you feel? Probably dead. Dang it. I'm not gonna hit that person, but I can sure as hell hit this person. Eh. Ah, this is the part where everyone just gets good instantly. I don't know how. No! God damn it! Yeah. Let us go. Ah! These sounds kill my ears. See, look, we already have 31 out of 300. This will be easy peasy. Oh, these shotguns. Oh, God. You only get 4 shots with these, and that's it. I'm gonna go hide from this person. Wait for them to come this way, and then load them up. Uh-oh. I hear my friends dying. How did I hit that? Ah! Okay. Okay. I will give you that. I don't know how that man's hitting everything, but okie dokie. He saw me. He saw me. He saw me. Does I have to hit it? Bro, I hit something. Whoa. Oh, bad luck for you, I guess. Crap. No! Alright, they're this way, so if we come this way... Why is my bullet so delayed? He reset. Smart guy. Not even gonna bother. Okay. You know, that makes sense. Totally, I swear. How did you get past the potion? I don't have any fucking clue. Huh? Okie dokie. I'm not raging, I swear. There's a man's over there. Okay, he's camping on the roof, you know, that's funny, funny moments. I'm gonna go ahead and go over here. Wait for man's camp on roof moment. Or get shot with something and immediately die for some reason, even though it does like 9 damage at range. Got him. I will not fail. Huh? You didn't even have an explosive. Everett's got fucking pies. Yeah. Whoop. What? Oh, they have the explosion thing. That's why it keeps making explosion noises. Oh well. Goodbye. Gobi? Eh, LOL. Ah, crap. Yeah. What? How do I get one shot when that wasn't even a... Whatever, dude. Yeah. Let's go. We'll say one more round and we'll call it. That man just left. That's funny. Ah, my ears. Ah. 56 out of 300 now. Hey. Not that map, please. Swear if... Okay, cool, it's not. Uh-oh. Get going. Woo. Oh, man, I was on a streak. Okie dokie, it's fine. Bro Brento. Shoot him down. Hey. Ah. Makes sense. Criminal. Eh. Oh, he had the anime cannon, that's why. Yay. No! How dare you not die to my grenade thingy. Abomination. Get it? Abomination? Uh-oh. No! Bro, my best shot with getting a freaking hit with this shotgun is not going close range because the bullets just go right through him. It's just hitting long shots like this. Even though it's got like a 50-second delay. I still got the kill though, that's great. Great, I don't know where it showed that in the kill feed, but no, that works. I've got 300 bullets. I can keep spraying it. Okay, I can just die. Because that man kept tanking all the hits for him. Eh. That man's an enemy. No, he isn't. Woo! What? Why would you die? Woo! Yeah! Alright, that's gonna call it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. That was fun, to say the least. Like and sub if you enjoy this content so I know what you like or whatever. Leave a comment down below for the algorithm or just whatever you want me to play next. So I don't know what to play. I've kind of just been playing games. It's fun. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys sometime. Adios, amigos.